Bridge course, Standard 7th Maths, Day 36, Bank and Simple Interest. Let's understand. Observe the following picture and fill in the blanks given below. See here, you can see a picture of bank. When we go in the bank, we can see a saving, current, FD, cashier, etc. department in the bank. We can observe this picture and fill in the blanks given below. A. Above picture is of ... Answer is above picture is of bank. B. Bank is one of ... Bank is one of organization. C. Bank is one of ... organization. Bank is one of financial organization. D. Bank is an organization which is related to ... Bank is an organization which is related to money. E. Our money remains more safe in ... Our money remains more safe in bank. Let's practice. Question 1. Which of the following work we can done when going in the bank? Our alternatives are A. Buy a material, B. Kept money safe, C. Fill electricity bill, D. Sell a materials, E. Take a loan, F. Doing financial transaction. Here answer is B. Kept money safe. We can write here answers or alternative. B. C. Fill electricity bill, E. Take a loan, F. Doing a financial transaction. That means these 4 work are we done when we going in a bank. Question 2. Write name of banks do you know? You can write any name of banks. I can write here some bank name. State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Reserve Bank. We can write any name of banks. Question 3. Do you have a bank account? If so, write account number. Do you have a bank account? Your answer is yes. Then you write your account number. If answer is no, then don't write a account number. My account number. I can write here number 23005678 etc. Solve it. Question 1. Fill in the blanks with correct word. A. From current account of a bank, money can be withdrawn ... times. म्हणजे आपले जे करंट अकाउंट आहे, चालू खातं आहे, त्यामधून आपण पैसे किती वेळा काढू शकतो? वन्स और एनी नंबर ऑफ. आन्सर इज फ्रॉम करंट अकाउंट ऑफ अ बँक मनी कॅन बी विथड्रॉन एनी नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. Any number of times. B. Interest on current bank account amount ... not get. Interest करंट बँक अकाउंटवरती मिळते की मिळत नाही याच्यावरती विचारलेलं आहे. कारण करंट बँकमध्ये आपण कोणत्याही कितीही वेळा पैसे काढू शकतो, त्यामुळे त्याच्यावरती इंटरेस्ट मिळणार नाही आहे. इंटरेस्ट ऑन करंट बँक अकाउंट अमाउंट नॉट गेट. This is the correct answer. Question 2. Which facilities are available to customer for transacting on saving account? When we can draw money, we have given a facilities like passbook, second checkbook, third ATM card, fourth ATM card, fourth mobile banking, SMS banking, internet banking, or any you can know. These facilities are available to customer for transacting on saving account. Debit card, credit card also. Question 3. Which facilities available for a fixed amount for a longer period? लॉंगर पिरियडसाठी आपल्याला कोणत्या फॅसिलिटीज आहेत, म्हणजे आपल्याला फिक्स अमाऊंट ठेवायचे आहे खूप वेळासाठी, तर फिक्स्ड डिपॉझिट that is called FD or recurring deposit that is called RD. These are the facilities available for fixed amount for a longer period. Thank you.